receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in North Central and Northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and for warnings, affecting all counties in North Central and Northeast Illinois, as well as counties in West Indiana.
Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will
vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of North Central Illinois, Northeast Illinois, and Northwest Indiana. For today and tonight, weather hazards expected. Limited thunderstorm risk this morning in the morning. Limited non-thunderstorm wind risk. Discussion. Scattered thunderstorms will continue to proceed across the area early this morning, mainly south of the line from the Quad Cities to Waukegan line. Occasional clouds will ground like wind guns and becoming 30 miles per hour will be the main loads for the lower storms, which will move out of the area later this morning. Northwest winds increase midday into this afternoon, with gusts up to 35 miles per hour possible. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thursday, limited severe thunderstorm risk.
I can't tell what's still on.
Limited non-thunderstorm wind risk. Limited lakeshore flood risk. High swim risk.
I don't even know if this went off. Oh, I didn't have it on. Oh well. There we go.
Now here is the
that went off.
discussion. A low pressure system will move through the region Thursday through Friday. This system will produce gusty northeast winds in excess of 30 miles per hour, along with rain and scattered thunderstorms. Thunderstorms will be possible mainly south of the Interstate 80 corridor Thursday afternoon and evening. A few strong storms with gusty winds and hail are possible, especially farther south into central Illinois. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary for tonight. General storm motion.
What the heck? Who's still on?
25 miles per hour. Here is your forecast for the count and surrounding communities. For today, cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely during the pre-dawn hours, and mostly sunny. Breezy. Highs around 80.
Where?
West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour early in the morning, becoming northwest and increasing to 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 60%. For tonight, clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 50. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the evening, becoming northeast after midnight. For Thursday, cloudy.
Aha.
Chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon.
Well, that was kind of disappointing because no live voice, but we got not a lot of fails, thankfully. This failed, not surprised. This failed, not surprised. What else failed? Looks like most of everything went, which is really good to see. Honeywell failed, not surprised. Ah, man. Yep, my version 3 failed, per usual. Always fails RWTs, I don't know why. Pineapple failed. This failed because no reception. As you can see. But yeah, everything else went.